Sis, I'm glad that we went on this adventure. It was raining yesterday. We almost finished our house and all of that.
My neck is better.
Yay! Come on, let's go back home. We don't want anything bad happening again. Let's just leave our horses here.
No, we can stay here.
Okay, let's just stay here for a while or maybe something. So, then we're gonna sleep. It's night.
Yeah, let's go in one of these villagers' house.
Do they even have beds?
I can swim.
I like your new power. You can even fly. I love when you could fly. I love when you could fly. 301.
What was it? What was it?
I'm gonna be going to sleep. So, yeah, it's morning. Yay! So
we can go on our adventure and not stay here.
So yeah,
Are you ready?
I think we are. Just need to do this, 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 and this. Okay, I'm ready now. Whee. Ow.
Why do you keep going over me?
Oh no, could I jump? So where are we going? Do you have a compass so we don't lose where we are? Well, anyways, that's really cool and all of that, but yeah.
We're very far.
Yeah, right, really.
So we're gonna take a dip into this water.
Okay.
Don't put your horse in.
Mommy, where's my iPad?
Where's he supposed to put our horse then? There's no other way.
You're supposed to hold on.
No, wait, I'm just gonna go in the water.
Remember,
Oh no, where did my horse?
it
No!
came off of you because you put it in the water.
Leash. Leash. Horsey, I'm sorry for getting in water.
But
Anyways, come on, let's leash my horse. Oh, sorry.
stop that!
It was an accident.
Mine is with the one on the bottom. Jeez.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump into the pool. Woo. And remember, this is deep.
Ooh, I keep
Pretend you
unleashing
couldn't
your
swim.
thing.
Pretend you can't swim that good, but you can swim.
Okay.
In this deep water. What?
Okay then. Can't believe this is really.
I'm in a dip.
Okay then. Well, at least.
Oh no, this happened to me.